Virgos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 10 days of April. And as you know, they are all general energies. They may or may not resonate with you, each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. And so please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign, Venus sign, and the name sign. And if you want to get a personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. And yeah, please subscribe to my channel while I'm laying down your cards. Okay, Virgos. Wow. Good. Oh ho, Virgos. Doing pretty good as for now. Oh shit. King of Wands is very active today. What are the additional messages for Virgos? Yeah, again. Guidance from the angels for Virgos. Wow, that's good. Okay, Virgos. So what I am feeling here is there was something you've been dealing with things in your life in a very has they have required a lot of strength. Whatever your life has been, it has required a lot of strength, or to bring happiness in your life you have really worked very hard. It has been very courageous type of a path, and you have just tied your belt as to, yeah, you have to make it, sort of a thing. And you have done it with a lot of delicacy, with a lot of uh, though you were strong inside, but you were not wild outside. Okay, you have done it with a lot of patience, lot of kindness, and lot of, you had that wisdom to deal with the situation in a very kind way, in a very compassionate way, in a very courageous way. And you were just bent upon dealing with whatever it was, whatever came your way, and it was like you have to do it, and you had the wisdom to do it. And now, since you have overcome this tough path, most of it, I think, you have been able to, whatever it was till now, you have dealt it in a very good way, and that has, you have really worked very hard for your happiness, and it has been a very very happy achievement now, wherever you are victorious, you are flying high, you are very passionate about whatever you are doing. And with the Ace of Cups, you are, there has been a lot of healing, lot of emotional satisfaction. Lot of healing is there, lot of emotional satisfaction is there. You are feeling victorious over some, or you have really won something. Maybe whatever this strength was, it was because of some passionate project you were working on, or a passionate relationship, or something you were passionate about and you were totally focused on. That's what I'm getting. and it required a lot of strength. You have been working very hard on something. I think it was some relationship, or it was really something. You were very passionate about something, and now it is that you dig your flag on it. You've just sort of, it's like hosting your own flag. Okay, now I'm the winner, sort of a thing. It's like that. Okay, as if somebody is climbing Mount Everest or something like that, and they just, when they just, you just marked your territory. Yeah, that's what you marked your territory. Yeah, just first, now I'm the first one. When you shoot, uh how to put it, like when you reach that goal, and when you shoot that arrow, or that, and it goes and digs deep in the ground, and it stands there as a sign of victory. It's something like that. It has given you, it was not something easy, it was very, very tough. It has taken a good toll on you. You have really worked hard for it, you are very passionate for it, and you are victorious, and it is giving you a lot of happiness and emotional satisfaction, and a lot of pride too, in a good way. Very nice energy. You have definitely achieved something, victory, in some way, shape, or you have marked your territory. I'm getting that word. I don't think it's a relationship. It can't be something as huge. Can't be a relationship only. It is something. It's something. What I'm getting the vibe is, it is something, not only in a normal career. Also, it's something big. It's something big, something very big, which only few people are able to do. It something like that. Whosoever, whichever Virgo I'm dealing with, has marked his or her own territory on a project, on a career, on a deal. It's not something as small as that. It's something bigger. It's something bigger in the worldscape, and it meant a lot for you. It has taken a lot of time. It has taken a lot of your patience. It has tested your patience. You have had the testing times in achieving it, and now you are very, very happy. This is one thing which I am getting. I don't know. I think I'm the other part I'm resonating is with something else. It's something else, and maybe this is something else, or the other person, or maybe some other aspect of your life. But here again with the death card, death card is something is ending. Some phase of your life, some situation of your life, maybe some ideology of yours, some situation is coming to an end, some chapter is coming to an end, but obviously it will be replenished with something new. It's not that it'll end. There is a path to it. I can see a path. Some situation is ending, which is guiding you. After this it ends, it's guiding you towards a path which is different from this one, and which is going to give you a lot of happiness also. It will illuminate your life, like your sun is shining bright on some other path rather than the one which you are following. This, whatever path you are on, I'm not talking if it is this, I'm not saying this, I'm not sure if it is this. Maybe this is something which is already over and you've completed. Maybe this is some other thing in your life, some other thing, or some other project, some relationship, or something. Okay, because this has been achieved. That's what I'm getting. There is nothing new to be done in this. It's over. This is done. This victory is done. You have achieved it already. Okay, so now this is something else, or something new, or something different, or some other aspect of your life, which I feel is that you are going on a path which is not your way, and you are supposed to take some other way which is the right one for you, and that is why whatever way you are following is going to end, and it's the other way which you have, other path which is destined for you, which will give you a lot of happiness and illumination, and you will feel stable there. The King of Wands and with the Seven of Wands, I see here somebody here is, what I feel here is that somebody here, though the person is authoritative and has all the resources, but he or she, don't be gender specific, is on the top, but is trying to defend the title, is trying to defend the post, trying to defend the designation, trying to make a stand. They are struggling with something. You are on the top, whosoever this person is. Maybe this is the situation which is troubling, and that is why the death card is here. So this person is somebody, you or the other person, I don't know. There is somebody who is in a very good position, but deep within they have to defend their title, they have to defend this designation, they have to defend their argument, they have to make a stand, they have to struggle to people notice them, okay, or uh, you are struggling to make people accept your authority still, something like that, struggling to make your you're defending something, struggling. It's not that it's not a bad thing, but yeah, it's not a cool and a comfortable position to be in. And then immediately we have the six of swords. So somebody is definitely walking away, I think, after the struggle. Somebody is choosing to walk away. There is a lot of emotional turbulence out here. There's an emotional journey. Somebody wants peace, so somebody is moving out. Maybe somebody is moving away, maybe actually relocating, but somebody is definitely moving, choosing peace over this turbulence or over this tension, whatever there is in their life. Because here we have the Page of Pentacles, the Nine of Wands, the Three of Swords also. So I think this is one sphere of your life. I feel this is something different, and this is totally something different. That's what I'm getting. This is something which is related to someone else also in your life. This is this person who is struggling to make a mark, or maybe if it's you, and after this has been achieved, now the thing is you are struggling to defend your title. It will be different for different people, but yes, somebody here is struggling to make a stand, and then they choose to move away. Somebody is choosing to move away for peace. Somebody is very, very hurt over here. Somebody is very, very hurt, betrayed, they're very painful condition, and they have been working very, very hard. See, we're here with the Three of Pentacles, the Page of Pentacles. Okay, somebody is moving away in search of peace, and then you have an offer coming in which is going to give you some sort of stability. There is some stability in it. There is some sort of, that okay, you realize you can move forward with this. It's something like that. You have an opportunity or a relationship, whatever it is. And with the Nine of Wands, you have a lot of support group also. This, you've been working very, very hard, basically. Again, that's what I'm getting, since a pretty long time, or struggling since a long time. That's what I'm getting. Since a very long time, somebody has been working very, very hard, and it's been many, many years perhaps of struggle and feeling unrewarded. Though this person has a strong support group, this person should take suggestions from their friends. They feel unrewarded, basically, and because of that, somebody here is feeling very betrayed, very hurt, heartbroken. And then we have the Two of Cups also, which is talking about a lot of healing. I think what I'm feeling here is that something is ending and is directing you towards something different, and here is a person who is struggling to make a stand, struggling to defend their title, struggling for something, and then somebody or the same person chooses to walk away because they feel that they have been hurt a lot, feeling betrayed in a very painful condition, and they've been waiting since many, many years for a particular outcome, or a particular decision, sort of, or particular thing, or a relationship, and things were just not happening, and maybe that is why they decided to, since they were heartbroken, they decided to move away. And there is a new opportunity, or a new affair, or a new relationship coming in, which is very healing for them. With the Two of Cups, this is overall, this is all about balance. It is about transparency. It is about a beautiful new partnership, new friendship, new connection, new relationship, whatever it is, which is divinely guided, and it is equal. There is equal give and take in this relationship, and it is going to give a lot of healing also. Here with the Six of Diamonds and with the Ace of Hearts. So basically with the Ace of, here with the Six of Diamonds, I feel that you are working towards your own harmony, and that is what your main goal in life now is. You are looking forward for harmony, and with the Ace of Hearts you are getting that victory. Ace of Cups, again you will get it again. That's what I feel. You will get this victory again. Emotional satisfaction, victory in the sense emotional satisfaction, a new beginning. You are contemplating, you are looking back, you want to, this is what you want again. That's what I'm getting. You are looking backwards and contemplating on the things because you want to see the sight of those things again. You want them again, and you will get them. Celebration, it's a wonderful, number 17 or number 8 may be of some significance for you. It's a wonderful time in your life. Difficulties fall away, and light at the end of the tunnel is a star you can wish upon. The timing is right to make a long-term plans for a joyful future. Have faith that things are going to turn out beautifully. That's what I'm saying. You will have it again. Okay, it will be a wonderful time again. You will celebrate again. Difficulties will go and things will be happy again. Number 9 may be of some significance for you. Slow down, pause, and allow things to unfold. So this is the guidance for you, I think, because things are happening, a change is happening. Maybe this was in the past, and now this is something which you are facing in the current scenario. Okay, so the guidance for you here is that if things are not clear, just slow down, and as you slow down, just take rest, give yourself that time to heal and allow things to unfold gradually. Because if you move in haste, maybe you may commit some mistake again, or maybe you lead to a heartbreak once again. So basically, if things are not clear, you are just advised to go slow, pause, and as take the decisions as things unfold to you. Okay, Virgos, so that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.